The Touching You project collaborated with Lake Macquarie City Council to develop interactive interventions for the multi-arts pavilion MIMA Catenary. Lake Macquarie has crystal clear waters and is surrounded by a spectacular landscape of mountains and hills. It is away from the busyness and light pollution of the city, making the starry sky clear and brighter, giving people a sense of tranquility. In the local community, people often organize various activities. Whether it's a concert or a street performance, people come together to communicate and connect with each other. MIMA is an art venue offering a creative space for local residents and visitors. Around this area, people can indulge in various activities such as camping, biking, skateboarding, frisbee, and parent-child cultural experiences. It is an ideal destination for family gathering, weekend getaways, and leisure walks after dinner. Therefore, our primary focus is to cater to youth and families as our target audience. According to our research, the city has a fragmented culture and a large immigrant population, resulting in residents feeling isolated and disconnected. Therefore, it is important to strengthen the mental health of citizens and promote community cohesion. So we launched the emotional lighting interactive exhibition Touching You. Participants can share personal journeys and precious memories through the app and lights, transforming emotions into captivating visual expressions. Touching You fosters an inclusive and supportive environment and strengthens the connection between people. The planet symbolizes diversity and uniqueness within the community. Our team uses symbols, patterns, and forms of cosmic elements to illustrate personal values and identities. It becomes a bond between community members, deepening the emotion and cohesion between each other. Based on the concept, the following is our design strategy. After scanning the code, the user shares and listens to stories through the app and interacts emotionally with the lighting installation. The white area represents the interaction area, and the purple area represents the cohesion perception area. In the future, we plan to project users' voice on the big screen of MIMA so that more people can feel and share. To ensure that the lighting system does not spoil the aesthetic of the surrounding environment, we use the staring sky and shooting star effects to achieve this. There are three modes of lighting: passive mode, individual mode, and group interaction. Passive mode is the staring sky flickering effect. The individual mode and group interaction are the feeling of meteors passing by and simultaneously echoing the lake's fluctuation arcade. In individual mode, the system will reserve 40 seconds of monochromatic light for the user. In group interaction, we can see more colors. The light color will gradually fade to one color. Our team followed an interactive design process and did user research and analysis in assignment 1. Based on this, we designed sketches and wireframes. Next, we create an interactive prototype and use think-aloud, heuristic evaluation, usability testing, and system usability skill testing methods. We provide the prototype to different users for 2 rounds of evaluation and testing. According to the test results, we make the corresponding modifications and improvements. Finally, we fully refine and optimize our interaction design to improve usability and user experience. That's what we come up with. The lighting installation will be open to the public at the scheduled time in the evening. During this time, the light is in passive mode without user interaction. Firstly, the user enters the Touching You program by scanning the QR code. When the first user lands on the home page, they can choose between 2 options: share a story or listen to a story. The user chooses to share a story, then writes his own story according to the prompt and through the storyboard corresponding to the selected color. At this time, the light will quickly switch to the individual interaction mode, showing the color selected by the user on the light bar. This instant feedback makes the user feel their story has been received and presented. As more people join in Touching You, the lighting gradually enters the group interaction mode. During the process, 5 users interacted simultaneously, and each user selected a different color, including blue, pink, purple, yellow, and orange. With the user selection, the colors on the light bar will appear in this order, and each color will remain for 40 seconds and then disappear in turn. This orderly interaction design gives users an equivalent participation experience and creates a harmonious and exciting atmosphere. If no new users join, the color on the light bar will gradually fade into passive mode. After a user casts a storyboard and enjoys the lights, they receive a storyboard from another user. They can click and read these sentences one by one, just like flipping through the voice of others and feeling the memories of each other. This continuous experience allows users to listen deeply to other person's stories and feel the emotions and experiences of different persons.